Ayaw mo
Ayan, ang saya. Ganitong buhay. Kape-kape. Kumuha na naman kami kay kuya ng payong. Ayos lang po.
Go picture.
Yeah, picture daw kita, Papa. Ayan, at kami ay uuwi na mamaya. Ano, papahiram mo na naman ako. Papahiram mo si Mama.
Matamis ba yung kape? Tama na.
Masarap, pero mas masarap yung lahapon. Are you having fun?
Dito ko muna anak. Hirap ng may sunblock. Ang tulo sa mata.
Oh, kaya nga ayoko nang...
Dapat wala pala sa noo.
Papa, go pool.
Go to the pool na?
Yeah.
There? Swimming pool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Teka, sasabihin ko lang, Kuya! Okay na po kami. Salamat ho. Bye-bye!
Alright. No running.
I'm fine.
Oh, sarap. Saan? You...
I like it.
You like it?
No more go home.
No more go home. You like it here? Yeah, me too. So, are you gonna tell Papa na we stay here? Okay. How about the bunnies?
Flying bunny.
They're fine.
Yeah, daddy eat the race.
But what if the bunnies, say, I miss Art.
Money out. Yeah, it's got on my feet.
O, ganun. Hey, it's time to say goodbye to Costa Pacifica.
Can I go do those?
Anong noodles? We're
Go
saying
home?
yeah. You don't wanna go home?
No.
Oh, no.
Tata.
So, papapicture kami dyan. Okay, katabi siya lang. Yay! May ice cream, love. Dito tayo dadaan. Ice cream. Okay, go, go. O, diretso sa toys. Sa toys lang. And buy one lang. Dito ba yun? Sige. Saan ka ba po? Anak, dito! Dito, anak! Andito yung toys, di ba? Ayun yun, oh. Ayun, doon. Doon. There. There. There you are. Okay.
It's done.
Wow, there's a lot of toys here. Oh, ayan, yan na yun eh. Or not this one. Meron pa ba iba? Halika. Wait, Mama will check. Ito ba yung nakita natin? Ah, dito ata, anak. Come here.
Done. It's done.
Ito! Tadan! Are you happy? Oh, go. One toy lang ha. Again, it's one toy. Ayun si Papa. Si Papa ay nagpapagas. Papa. Okay, wow. There's a lot of toys here. So nice. I didn't know na may ganito here. And look. Sobrang mura. 330 kumpara sa Manila. This is 510. May mga dinosaurs. Wow, may excavator which is 630. No, it's not excavator. Truck pala siya. Wow. Amazing. Okay, you find na. You look for your toy. And then, this is 180. Look, dito pa anak oh. Ang daming truck. Construction truck. Ayan, construction truck and little cars.
What do you want?
There's a lot here. This one. Wow.
Wow, I like it.
You like that? I knew it. I knew it. I have a feeling that you will get that. This is 850. Alam nyo, mas mura dito kaysa sa Boracay. But of course, Boracay yun.
I like this.
What's that?
I don't get many.
Huh? That's a bang bang. How about that? The doctor truck. Ambulance there. Look. Look carefully and choose one. Take your time.
Don't get it.
What is this? A bang bang? Well, this is 375, which is okay. What else? One more. Wow, this is 550 and it's big. Look, it's big. Bigger than my hand. Huh? Are you sure? Yeah, it's okay. I'll fix it later. Let me see. The dino truck is 570. Find...
More.
No, not find more. Find one. Which one is better? This one or that one?
That done.
That blue one? Can I see? Okay, let me look. This is 570 rin, so almost the same price.
That's terrible.
Okay, hold it. Are you sure that's it?
Ma, that's an egg.
I know. So, you like it? Okay na. How about this bang bang? This one too?
Yeah. Yes. That's at the doce, that a baby moo.
Okay, so it's less than 1,000 for the two toys, which is sobrang okay na compared in C5 sa Las Piñas and the ones that I bought in Boracay. Oh, just be careful ha. Anak, dito tayo dumaan. Here. Oh, just be careful. Okay, let's go. It's okay, just be careful. Oh, daan ka na. Okay, very good. Just be careful. Okay. Okay, so that's it for now. I will have to pay first. That's it. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Let me see your face. Hey. Okay, let's go.